Hello everyone, welcome to How to Videos. In this video, we will see how can we use FancyZones tool of PowerToys. So let's dive in to the demonstration. To use the FancyZones tool of PowerToys, go to FancyZones under Windowing and Layouts. You can launch the layout editor by using this button here or using this shortcut key. This is the layout editor. You can either choose a template from here or create your custom templates from here using this button. Now that I have my demo selected, let us modify it. I can fill in this information here in order to modify the layout. In case I want to adjust my layout, I can do it over here by doing a split or merge operations. I can adjust the width of the sections using this button here. Now that I am okay with this setting, let me save it. I have my layout selected, so I closed the layout editor. Now let's see how can we put the windows inside the layout we have selected. Now to do that, just drag this window, press and hold the shift key, and you will get this preview of the layout. Just put the window in the box that you want to put in and then release the mouse button. Similarly do with other windows as well. To modify the zone behavior and zone appearance, you can just scroll down to zones, and under zone behavior you can toggle these tick boxes according to your requirements. I have used the shift key because I had this tick box ticked. You can adjust the zone appearance from here. Similarly with windows as well. You can modify the layout settings from here. Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.